Okay, some of my friends are having a bit of an issue still with partial products. So I thought I would take one of my test questions, but mix it up slightly by changing one of the numbers in the big number. Okay, so we have 5 times 525. Remember, friends, I want to split this up into my values, hundreds, tens, and ones. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out the ones place. That is 5 times 5. I have 5 times 5. And then I want to pull out the tens place, which is 5 times 20, because there is a 2 in the tens place. So once in the tens place, it is no longer a 2, it is a 20. Then, since I have my ones down here and my tens down here, let me pull out for my hundreds. It is 5 times 500. Alright, so 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 20 is 100. Remember, 5 times 2 is 10, and you cannot forget about that 0. You cannot just leave it there. Okay, guys? You need to be able to keep it there, because everything has to be accounted for. Okay, now 5 times 500 is 5 times 5 is 25, and then I have those two zeros. I have to pull them both over. Now, some of my friends, when they see like 5 times 27, they'll pull out the 5 times 7, which is 35, and they'll pull out the 5 times 20, which is 100, and then they'll just write all of these numbers by each other, and they don't add them together. And you really need to add them together. You need to get the sum of the partial products to figure out the whole product of these two factors. So I have 2,500 plus 100 plus 25. All right, and now I have 2625. My main issue that I'm seeing lately, my friends are really getting the hang of putting the partial products and bringing these out. That's beautiful. I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. But some of my friends are forgetting to account for all the zeros with all the factors involved. And you can't do that. You have to account for every single zero. Because 5 times 500, does that really equal 250? That doesn't sound right, does it? No, because we have two zeros there, and they both need to be accounted for. And then you can't just add these up together and like set them side by side. That's not going to give me my answer. You have to put them all down like this. You have to add them up. And I want this. I don't want these three numbers side by side. That is not how we do that for partial products. So, hopefully my friends will benefit from this, and hopefully it will prepare them for future tests, because we will be testing on this again very, very soon. All right, please let me know if you have any more questions, and that is it for partial products.